Hello guys and welcome to this new crash course for the Java language. It's gonna be a full free course where I will cover many things in this language, starting from the basics to object-oriented programming, moving to the files and databases handling, till we get to the desktop apps and graphic user interfaces building. Check the description below for the previous tutorials to keep up, and hit the subscribe button to follow along and stay up to date. There's a lot is coming ahead. So we're gonna start our course by Java introduction. First, what is Java? Java is a programming language created in 1995, owned by Oracle, and runs 3 billion devices. We use Java in plenty of things, such mobile applications, desktop applications, web applications, games, and much more. So why we use Java? Or what makes Java so powerful? Java is so powerful in programming that it works on different platforms: Windows, Mac, Linux. It is an oriented-object programming which gives us a clear structure of programs that allows the code to be reused and lowering the development costs. It has a huge community support. Tens of millions of developers use Java, and it has similarity to other languages such as C++, C Sharp, or C Sharp, and that makes it so easy for programmers to switch from Java or vice versa. So let's jump to the Java tools. When it comes to the Java tools, you need to know three things. Firstly, the JDK. The JDK is the development kit, or Java development kit, which is the software or the environment where we develop our Java applications. That includes JRE, which is the Java runtime environment, an interpreter, and a compiler, an archiver, and other tools needed for Java development. For the JRE, it stands for the Java runtime environment, which is a tool that provides the minimum requirements for execution in a Java program or a Java application. It consists of the Java virtual machine, the core classes, and the supporting files. The third thing is the JVM, which stands for the Java virtual machine, which is the specification where working of Java virtual machine is specified, an implementation of a computer program that meets the requirements of the JVM specification. And the runtime is the instance whenever you write a Java command on the command prompt to run the Java class, an instance of the JVM is created. Okay. To understand the difference between those three, the JDK, the JRE, and the JVM, don't worry, don't have to understand all the terms or all what the picture says now. You need to understand two things, which are the JDK that's equals or the JDK is the combination of the JRE and the development tools, and the JRE is the JVM and library classes. Okay, that's all what you need to know now. And now let's move to the compilation and the execution of a Java program. Java is being a platform independent programming language. That means it doesn't work on one-step compilation. Instead, it involves two steps of execution. First, through the operation system independent compiler, and second, in the Java virtual machine, which is custom built for every operation system. So, as you can see in the picture, the first step is the compilation, where our source code or a.java file it passes through the compiler, which then encodes the source code into a machine-independent encoding known as the bytecode. The content of each class contained in the source file, the a.java file, will stored in a separated bytecode point class file. And now passes to the second major step, which is the execution. The class files generated by the compiler are independent of the machine or the operation system, which allows them to be run on any system. Now, to run the main class file, it contains the method main, and then it passes to the JVM. It will go through three main stages: before the final machine code is executed. These stages are the class loader, the bytecode verifier, and the just-in-time compiler. And then it will convert our program to a native machine code. And that's it. From this point, we're gonna get results of our program. So that's it for the introduction, guys. I hope that you like it. For any question, please leave a comment. I will be happy to reply. Follow me in the next videos by subscribing to my channel. Don't forget that, and goodbye for now.